abosumi nsia $10 billion ena abeka or minus account just 6 months in office. Kwasi amenu mienu pese yehu eni ahwefo hu ni say na nado danko akofo ado budget no supplementary budget no it take year up to April. And to say okay sa within this short period for at honorable to force in budget this $10 billion and abeka or minor debt hondia ye free asia baba ye assessment say $10 billion no akwan ben no mo dia ye organa ha fa hin na ewo how many kilometers and I say yi o matua because me no mienu nim say contractors ya all the regions amo hwe me no mo bagi atum no enim say all the regions major roads nanado danko akofo ado start here no this government no ema omo ye den stop ye sa contractors ne dodo na so awuregi certificate say nka aban we yaba no obetua omoka no nka omakọ site akwa complete adwuma e wo honom na timamufo hawa enam so the previous government na nado baumia government this akwan ni nyina ma contract no kombetima yeden ayi afiri honom but ye this certificate ko ye babesi esamre ya NDC taking over no 98% of road contractors yoma submit womu certificate efa akwanya various roads are ekoso omu ye ni bia no this government entry omuka agenda 111 contractors ya abandon agenda 111 some educational projects ya abandon some ongoing chip compounds ya abandon big projects ya ekoso wo various college of education ya abandon feeding grant SSA echo for various college of education no nano metremu mako anything tomato soa ye dia nwanko agum ne ye dia mankura na omo college of education so omunni adan aban eni sika to feed emrante ne mabawa womo so ombe ye teacher adwuma na omo gi teacher nteche e wo college of education no aban ni sika to feed them to send ne na MPP aban na nado ba omi aban na omo ye no this time eni hosa aban ba ye health minister nam na odwa nanum ena ya fa nipa 100,000 but next si omo go fie enya asenkoma enkrofo aban we ba ye wayu omadi e wo public sector over 500,000 workers ena ya ma omakwa akotena fi na ya budget for womo previous government budget eketa for womo no besi na me no mo kase no obi atifie enkrofo atifie teachers atifie nurses atifie womo omuwom so a yentua omoka college of education omo wie no hwese se de afibia ye no say every year bia no mu wie mu 1 year mandatory ayinu wie service ni wie ese sa ban no post mu no this year ebesi na yente posting asem omo wie university omo so gi ade entity ye na se de MPP ye no every year bia no ye fa bi no mo ko various second circle and second circle institutions and vocational union no they are stay at home. The question is, if Sabino entry contractors ka Abino and Yesikan College of Education agenda 111 ya abandon yen recruiting crofo yen fan crofo juma sa 10 billion aya added to the public debt no me no mienu sa o te comment section ho wo hwe wo Facebook wo te abrochire ba bia wo hye bia se Ghana ni no sa 10 billion na $10 billion na besin ne yenwa de kura ban ne de aye no what it means ni say me no mienu ana ombeji sa sika na kwa kotua. So if within a period of 6 months, the government able to spend 10 billion, will add $10 billion to our debt deficit in India. As I say, we are Ghana, Nini Babuni, Abrantia, Obase. Or mine be $10 billion now. And can the Panudu send no bet to my form? And can acquire air cost no baby now. $10 billion yet the account or mine account within 6 months period. But agenda 111 a bet my fa a nipa over 100,000 direct and indirect jobs to no. Ya abandon agenda 111 because the completion of agenda 111 no and the bema babunu mamia what on bidie and the afshane ba mamia what timako ni etia wom ewo abrochire na no ka boso na all manifie e de hwe ne ba no agenda 111 no ye complete a na ne ba na o hwe ne nursing training no ebenya adwuma na ye den aye agenda 111 abosome nsunie abosome nwotwe nie abosome nkunu nie contractors ni nyina ekofie enti sa $10 billion no yan hwese nka a complete agenda 111 na se Ghana mabunu over 150,000 to 200,000 year adwuma nka M1 menu mienu ene obi a onim apomdemu asem bia be ka kire ose se etimi complete agenda 111 na sa necessary mu wie etena fie yenya adwuma nye abanim postu ye no eto obetwa because wo wie ye na breaking kind adwuma eba abanya bandan eno se me kwa kosi chip compound so entimi recruit the number of nurses here district hospital betima ye den afa because if a chip compound ebefa 4 nurses here a district hospital ebetima employ baako ebia betima employ ebe 150 nurses at a go. Yes, because they will run a shift. Into $10 billion now. Bank of Ghana bu akonta abeka or mine count. Ye pese who say project na komu because say ye Ghana for ye tua to one there. Near your friend accountability ni very, very vital at this moment of discussion. And as a Ghanaian, they ain't mean gloat over those issues. No, as I say, bisa near bisa ni ye. Because acquire what do any nano I abandoned. So he na sikana echo as I say bisa president mahama nabai na moa comment section so ma fa no say ye politics no ayemasema moa na no mo say aban hwe na akwan onye na aban no ma contractors tisi mo ye na new government iba ye wo ma free site na mo ye din no ayemo masema. Because this time there, a year NDC there, more question say, Adena kwan we ye na contractor free site. Adena brekum, sampa kwan ye na contractor free site. And ne, a man for enye de debut because mu party na ye den. Aba, into mu party banners or mu abandon road is okay. But yeah, we the taxpayers' money. And your party asem. And your minor sem ye the ye can. O mana sem ne ye kan ye na ye num bi ye de pressure to na nado so say opo there are some major roads in the country as so ye eno no your man chechire na ye num bi as MPP ye say ye de dwun o man ye kan ye wonso ye NDC nia o man chechire ne bi ni say wonso ba ka kire president mahama say sa roads na nado start ye obe complete now Yankwa galam say, and naya me no ka say anti task force anti-task force. Who are mananya major concern to you? Say, young kwan, ye deliver, say Ghana Nino, I very short because of Galamsey. Obia o tiemi biano and taking this matter serious. Say, young kwan. Ye team say Ghana for no, I very short because Ghana ha. Ye near ye die. Near di kan wo yi nsu a obia nom bia. Ye nsu no ye twe firi fan. Ye various nsu a ye twe ne nyina no. Enye river plat na ye river densu. Ena akona afọ man no ho enyina ahia. Ye nsu a aka oman na ahia no eno na Ghana Water Company erefane. Na various private water ni omo ton sache water ni mineral water producers ni nyina no wo mo so agina so de aye na me no ka say se Ghana Water Company ka say ensuo no epa de esese refine no 100% ansa na nipa timanom no wanya ahodene. Now, Ghana Water Company said they can only do 25% because, and now said the Galamsey, and Niama Apollo Suono, a bino and spending, they don't have money, so make my year a man so at the crojin their may because I'm fine a lot of things are air cosu ewon suono mono. So I'm more yeno even to 50% at the amayese or maya. Ensuo yentimi nyeren entua yentimi ntua ensuo ka enti omo ye ne biara de amaye na mom asoman no se ebenya nsupa anoma. We should try as much as possible to fight this Galamsey menace no eno na under his excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo was say MPP belu sukura na Galamsey yetu ase a yebeye. And this if I chile koka say MPP mpese wo mu bedidie na omo de ba ombe mo maye Galamsey adidie. And then the effect is that enipa bia wo Ghana bia nam se nsuo a yenom de koye mu Galamsey ehwo niema Apollo tu nsuo nti se wo tena asase so Nyankopon ma wo 70 a yenim se yenom agidifo no sa na tie e wo twere konkon no mu a o ma wo 70 years ya sa 70 no enam nsuo a yenom a nsuo no ye polluted with bad chemicals ya very very dangerous to our health no e konsumo ma enum nti onyankopon emfie 70 no a ode amaye no wachara 45 years because of Galamsey activities because 24/7 ensuo na omo pollute no sansuo na omo di bibibi eti ani kakra bi na oma afa pipe mu aba na yenya bia yeden anom enti se nyame ma wo 70 Galamsey hu niema ebe ma wadi only 45 years na te say 15 years there na 45 years no emu yade emu ko a wo beko ansa na wawuo no ene mu ka wo bebo no eno so kra ya asem se wo ska wo be fight sa yade no so eye asem foforo ye ni ane ye pe ye mpe Ghana hade anumre ye pia ya wo regency bi a wo kwa upo wumpo anya dokono ne be dominate a eye fufuo ne be dominate anya fufuo ne be dominate a eye banku ne be yeden e be dominate sa nuane a mebobo so say ye banche say ye mankani say ye aburo say ye bode ni nyina no Galamsey activity, Galamsey chemicals, awuramo a wudia enya effect to the body. Eno ewo ho ana wo develop yade bia wonhu ba bia efiri eba na ebi ni wabusuam na obusuam ni bi nya bida na mom ne yedi gu yeyam yentosi yedie ye bibibia yedie no galamsey niam emframa ye home ekoyemu enunti na ayese enyese aban bi tan obia sebia oye mining. Nobody is against mining, but the MPP policy was the best. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or let's say a kwana yebefa so ye galamsey was the best. MPP ye opposu mining. Namom ye jitum sen ye friend mining na ebe matimamufo ho atomo. Enei yes task force for woman shese be ya galamsey ebedwan abana withdraw. But abaning per political power, assemble na abaning kachire timamufo. Assemble na abaning kan ye chire timamufo. Abaning kachire timamufo say. Eye nanado asede se se do mu ni aban mu. Womu si a Christian clergy no President Mahama sia clergy as a presidential candidate no was in the #1 priority so betu galamsey ase eneyi ne party fu aka say so mo yes so mbe fight galamsey NDC is going to lose 2028 elections and to among stop task force of one nti ya stop task force of one wa wo hwe me a wontu galamsey ni bi na momudi galamsey aduane o tenkran ya ebia galamsey ubefi say obi wo western region no ye ne galamsey ya o se me tenkran emfa ho bare ye de bode ba akra ye de bayire ba akra ye de banche ba akra ye de mankani ba akra ma otobi ni nyina no environment no aye polluted with dangerous chemicals here. A co-mua started develop heart problem, stomach problem, so many chronic diseases here. We be here millions and now they are come. Until we cry ha. One to men country say or more western region. And I know galamsey or monkona ye and crime for ye fan galamsey humbe. Ensure a dinkra. Ekoba ensuo kwaba bi omudinkra enti ni nyina kwa ebebebom enti ensuo bia ye polluted no wote akra ha wo benumbi aduane bia ye polluted se banchi o abro ebodi o mankeno entosi o ye polluted a wote akra ha wo bedibi so galamsey should be your concern even so wote akra wo beka se forest bia ni ba bia ye galamsey enti ye mfa ho no wo boa ni yedi koyemu ne ne yenum koyemu na efa galamsey hu bia no obi a wo Ghana ha bia no is affected by galamsey activities. Obi a wo Ghana ha bia no is affected directly by galamsey activities because upo uba no munsu upo uba tobode upo uba kodwama koto entos upo uba kodwama koto banchi ensane ma we nyina e polluted. And so obi wa akra so yere yemfa galamsey hu ni yira fi so no munsuo obi wa akra so yere yemfa galamsey hu ni yira fi so obeto bode and na your mind fight na se ete wona say this ye ne propaganda say power or no pentino overlook power ne chen wa wo kwoto aba ma NDC no won kwade a be careful with that political party. Political party bia obe value power achen wo vote na wo life no sa party na nya party papa and that is NDC for you because NDC value power ombenya achen setimamufo benya nkwa because for them to call back or ombe catch anti galamsey task force to pull back because of power they won in 2028 intino enipa ngu galamsey nkwaso no ye ni banchi a eye polluted chemicals ya semu ma na chese NDC as a political party no enwe no man no and Mrantia ne Mabawa must take note to say. Akumayadi ebano, and now mammy by oh mammy be out by be also ye by four, and I'm our Kumayadi, a nearma ye diguyemu. Now ye nyas Akumayadiano, and ya funyadia, na brewabi o tifienu, near na afedie ye nam. Na fide nam. Na brewa ni yedi ni bre akwa kogunu so na mum eniema yedi guye mu enya brewa bi asema se CI ya fa kwan bone so koti kwan so apam ya mame Justice Araba Saba Tokono madam question back up because nyame ya adoma Monday I will delve into 3rd January 2025 Nanado letter or issue your response. Details of petition Professor Kwaku Asare at the choir say remove. Now share the kind of legal knowledge and Nanado exhibit here at the respondent Professor Kwaku Asare compared to when Abaye the removal with the same allegation. So I have a question for the lawyers in the country. So one, the first petition to the president, a former president, I know what Baimu, and say, Chief Justice, maybe Sagana for lawyers know. I want to say, Chief Justice removal no, I grounded in law no. Near the kind, a first petition. Koye bra na nado danko akofo adoteso say Chief Justice atutu kwan ni kunu ni ayi a eye judicial travel policy eye den eda honom ema judiciary for Chief Justice ne na se for policy eda ho now grants wa Kwaku ansans ai Kwaku Asare rezi ye Professor Asare rezi ye e woni petition mu aye dismiss ye no. The same grounds and Daniel Ofori erezi ye ne ewo ni petition ni mu a ye de dismiss Justice Araba Saba Tokono. Eti my question is more lawyers no so far more divided opinion in this issue no. A first petition with the same grounds ye dismiss ye. Not the same person, a different person. I repeated the same petition to a new president, Awaba. I'm a modern so say, I feel the premier facile case woman. Marivati, and I'm casting my mind into the issue of estoppel res judicata mana. Say, asema yedida. The same grounds, the same issues against that same party. Yetimi relitigate case ya yakwa lusu. The only difference, I said this time no one party as a sign, but the same grounds, the same issues, the same format, the same allegations. I dismiss under Akufo-Addo pencil say new basis. With a proper legal reasoning, no. Yet Timmy repeated the same issues, no, with a new president in office. And I know at this time, no, sir, previous petition with the same grounds, no, and they frivolous, no, and then new president by Benya grounds. I made a removal, more reverse, I revert more back to, more mind to. The issue of estoppel res judicata mana. Yebisamo. Because you have to put your mind on that issue. Sa sema yedi dano. President Akufo-Addo pencil issue should be see ye. Na se bogua. President Mahama Timiba ebe relitigate. Eme relitigate those issues no. Eme succeed dia. Ababa ya president say president bia obeba in the future bia no any decisions bia President Mahama beteki e wo Jubilee House wo bia no obi so timi ye den a review a setting aside a restore a reinstate. Now maka kire ye say there are other petitions here mo be conclude efa Chief Justice no petitions na mienu aka efa Chief Justice no wo mo file petition no say oye Chief Justice and no mo file tia no ongoing. Now the Chief Justice has been removed and it's all petition na aka mo say mo kwa akotoa so no mo kwa akotoa so on what basis? You file a petition against Master Chief Justice, 3 petitions. But imagine so they are removing me. Mo wie amo say they aka no mo ba facilitate no kwa akotoa so mo kwa akotoa so on what basis? Because you file a petition tia na as Chief Justice. Me ameti ye say ye mame araba saba toko no betie me a or 7 years to retire as a justice of the Supreme Court. Per the constitutional requirement, he's supposed to retire at the age of 70. Only betie me because so kind petition no kind year. Na say who you so proper legal reasoning na nya propaganda na obe attach to it there. Petition say omode call ye no nyina no was about her office and her position as a Chief Justice. All the 3 petitions were about ne position as a Chief Justice. And yet, say, as a justice of the Supreme Court. Because most position as a Chief Justice, you know, and ordinary 2 years, and he should be removed as a Chief Justice. And they are removing. And as a warrant, the warrant issued by the President, John Dramani Mahama, on 1st September 2025, the warrant clearly no a woman said the Chief Justice was removed as a Chief Justice. Yamame Araba Esaba Tokono was removed as a Chief Justice and not as a Justice of the Supreme Court. The warrant, I am so vivid on that. And Timuamoka say, I will lose media legal reasoning or more propaganda legal reasoning bin my man for mano, meno munyadwini. So who for the proper interpretation of even the warrant now? Actually say, she was removed as a Chief Justice and not as a Justice of the Supreme Court. And therefore, Yemame Justice Araba Esaba Tokono should stay as a Justice of the Supreme Court. Silano our position at the Supreme Court. And Obetuma resume Aduma and ne. Because President Mahama and remove Uno as a Justice of the Supreme Court. Namom the position ye appointee no ena yam fan say yaji ayede afri ninsam. So that officer all kwakwa like any other Justice of the Supreme Court, no, that office is still there. And me de obetie me a onko non tenam no nya na dwuma said the Justice of the Supreme Court na on retire na onko fie onyame ne mre na ye mrepa na se ye sha obi achi ema nipa no edi trogu so a ye sha obi achi edi atata to so a onyankopon fa ne boa on to ntem namom ye namo isi ye nipa de bibi bia ebeba ye o life mu bia no esese tenase ne ebisa se edien na me ye ya saa de we eto me nti otie me a onya gidie wo nanim sai ebe ye no nkoye na dwuma as a justice of the Supreme Court no nkofie after all or start ayi high court and wabrumu akọ court of appeal and odi akọ Supreme Court enti onkonkoye na dwuma na nyame boa no nyame mana hoden ebo no ho ban nyame so be mana hoden amu oduru nyame be mana kukuduru amu oduru nyame be mana akoma pa akoma foforo ba wohoro na akoma amman oni na busua no nyina hoden foforo no de akwakoye adwuma as justice of the Supreme Court on tramu eninasem na onko me de mafutu no na nyame mre ena ye mrepa yasem nyina ayede ewo yitim na communication officer na no se Jeremiah no penasem okan ye na party fo no fanye assessment na ye misa se frabera ben ena koboa nkrofo ano ena oka da ka kire omo se nipa sumasi ye mi nipa ena ya mana nko primary da ben ye open se primary ti kura kwa akokọ so enso otimi koboa nkrofo ano se ye wunti ena MPP anko primaries ena omo boa omo nkrofo ano so ye be sha atade aba ma nipa huye na mom ni MPP be ye bia no ye be kwa akoka kire NDC for na sa nipa no MPP police station executive se mo anyere mo ho antoaba ne kasia so antia ne sa presidential primaries ayebe kwa 31st na MPP enye yie because I lesson way se mo toaba ne tia ne heavy pa obakwa akope babia tena no wahu say MPP hia ne biem eniema ekọ so eniema ya MPP ye meetings ahodo nyina ne ye no na sa frabera na oni nam aye honorable Kennedy Japan oni ne nkrofo na o makoka kire NDC for honorable Kennedy Japan oni ne nkrofo na o makoka kire NDC for producer bo voice no bo video no be antie
na be omuni ehwo mobile lesson.
But some of these aspects is not troubling given the
we are waiting for them, we are ready for them, we know the plan they are taking. So we are waiting for them. Let me tell you, I cannot say anything in public. But yeah, let me tell you, let me. Yes, I'm a communication officer in the party. I'm a communication officer in the party. Constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the MPP, and let me tell you, we have people in the MPP. I mean, you can say MPP divided two. So we have their people on my information because I must say I na call for my MP and I call person mo dey back almost all you can e to mutimi for them back e to mo dey o ma ko fa Solomon aba say onu be ba omi and o mo dey back so MPP divided into two e to do mu ye bia no ye hu do mu ye bia no ye hu so we are telling you people BDS say ahadie nipa mi ensa penny here we have people in the MPP and let me tell you we have people in the MPP I mean you can say MPP divided two so we have their people on my information because I must say I na call for my MP and I call person mo dey back almost all you can e to mutimi for them back e to mo dey o ma ko fa Solomon aba say onu be ba omi and o mo dey back so MPP divided into two. So we are telling you people BDS, say, I had here constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the MPP, and let me tell you,
say MPP for something what to be. What to be? MPP for no be bo mama ne. O wi ene so obodini. Obodini obo frabera krodini. Say I must say nkrofo so omo ye Kennedy nti ne ekoso bia no MPP is divided into omote MPP polling station executives mo na mo do so constituency executive mo ntie ne yo o say akotia o ye divided na ama say ne nkrofo so omo ye Kennedy nti ne ekoso bia na omote nti ne Kennedy kwaye o constituency na ye fanfare o owia no akase nipa no ye say nti mamo nkoto aba no nyere ma no. And 31st January, polling station executives mumpie na monto aba na anibere so obi a obema musika bia na scan ye wa ban mu esese ka ode man no wamfa ma sa aspirant fo no nyina omo frem no bia no ayi omo se ye wo sika mo mra no bia no oba Kennedy sika onya ya eye MPP womo ba mo nyina mo ni na monto aba ntia no ukwa wase nofo regional minister no wo ho omie office ema party ni bia benefit omie office abibi bia western north new region project ye kwa wo region mu wo western north no enya asenkuma project akese party for am benefit ba kokora party for kwa akopa bibi wo western north ho a wo se hwini ho oye no bibi bia won kran party for anyahwe polling station for am benefit o regional minister na o se ne office hwini honom no ene ono no se wasi fie e o East Legon e dia check ne dia Japan regional minister na obenya sika wo MPP mu no a o ka kire MPP for mo wo Western North say hwini party no mu no sa regional minister no so no anya sika ti fie a check ne dia Japan a ono no so wa adane tio Canada Japan so wa adane 277 Canada Japan e be ba bontimba kan yo oso wa adane 277 and two were Western North for muntie ni ye na mumisa former regional minister say Canada Japan na o wa adane 277 no a dan na o wo no nyina no oso nyankrofo mo han enti nkusie ne kokote ne kankane ne dabo ne mponche ne dam no Roxy Obina odi Canada Japan campaign nim awo Western North ho no atima kwakosi dane asana dia ma Canada Japan ama na kwakoye 278 houses na Roxy Obina ban Western North ho a wababa ka kire mo say party ni sini nanso enti Western North 9 constituencies ni nyina no polling station executives for no mumpie na monkoto aba ma Canada Japan because ono Roxy Obino and the one munyam our Western North enti ni ono beka no and a party for no betie but obi o wa dane 77 am ponchi na dam ni panam yetiminya regional minister yama ni post na wa polling station ni ba kokora wa constituency ni ba kokora one award contract ba kokora ma police constituency officer bia no e ma ne timinya sika wo party no mu e bank ran e be sifio ayi East Legon say ope Canada Japan asem enti wa che ne fie obi o wa da ne 277 now wo Western North no wa bisa say madi party na chi sa che 2-bedroom manyabi madi party na chi ache pa sa wi so protomato bi madi party na chi ache pa kontomra protomato bi madi party na chi ache pa dwabo so protomato bi madi party na chi ache pa bia so protomato bi bia is protomato bi bia west protomato bi madi party na chi ache pa bia ni protomato bi as a polling station na regional minister na ono ne sa Western North ono na ye ogolo no a party ni na ye ne regional minister wa mo obia no wasana kosifio East Legon e dia ma obi o wa da ne 277 no wia wa hura di campaign nim sa okwa akoka kire Western North fo say o kire polling station fo no ba bi o monto o ma banko na obu musan enti sa dan no o see the attack Canada Japan East Legon no se dan no ye 4 million Ghana cedis ya constituency for sen and 4 million no ye betimi dia invest wo mumu e Western North ho polling station executive sen and 4 million Ghana cedis no ye betimi dia ma o ma ye investment ye wo power no o sisika ni ho and na ye wo opposition no sika onya wo power no o dia tofie dia ma obi o wa da ne 277 ye ba sra mo Western North fo mo mama ni na ho na regional minister Roxy Obina wahura di campaign anim a wase north de ono kasa na MPP ni bi adafam na ono no de ye dadaba e wo wase north ho no mon country ne say Canada Japan were 277 houses and nay what the another house akwa kan home na ye 278 MPP Western region bisanse wasi party Western North wasi party office in Palma 2024 elections as a regional minister 9 constituencies sign na other man 9 constituencies need wa mo kapre and so nay ni onya free Western North no o se this obi ba ye president nto na di akire te say the upper cabinet minister nti di onya ya wan fan mam no o di abeto fie o East Legon am obi o wa dana nipa nam. Can you believe that? Enti momo de oba ho na obekasa mu huna o ye dada basunko e wo Western North wo ya basra mo mun kanya mo ho ye be pon ano no